All right, seventh grade math. Here is lesson 18, adding multi-digit integers. All right, remember, before adding several multi-digit integers, be sure to align the digits in columns. All right, so it says a share of stock is worth 150 on Monday. Over the next 3 days, the gains and losses were as followed: loss of 12, gain of 18, loss of $10. What is the stock's worth on Thursday? So we started with 155. We lost 12, we gained 18, and we lost 10. The first time they grouped them up by the two digits. So 155 plus negative 12 is 143. 18 plus negative 10 is 8. And then when I add two positives together, I get a positive 151. So my stock was worth $151. Now, I could do it the other way as well by grouping my two positives together and my two negatives. When I group my two positives, 155 plus 18, I get 173. When I group my two negatives, negative 12 plus negative 10 is negative 22. And then when I add my positive 173 and my negative 22, I get 151. So the same answer is $151. So down here it says, find the sum of 85 plus negative 18 plus negative 78 plus 12. Well, I did my two groups, and when I do that, I get a positive 1. Or I could add my positives and get 97. I can add my negatives and get negative 96. And then when I add my positive 97 and my negative 96, I get a 1. So when I do my problem just out, I get a positive 1. All right, make sure you've got all that stuff copied down before going on to the next page. All right, this is just like lesson 17 that we just did. It's going to be the same thing. You can use a calculator to get it. You can come up with some easy ways to do it, however you need to do this. Now, since all three of these numbers are negative, I know my answer is going to be negative. When I add 23, 30, and 12, I get it to be negative 65. So you're going to finish 3, 4, 5, and 6. On problem number 7, it says, Mr. Cooper, Mrs. Cooper, sorry, bought a stock for $58 in January. In February, it lost 11. In March, it gained 20. In April, it gained $8. What was the stock's worth? So on my line, I'm going to write out my problem of 58 plus a negative 11 because I lost 11, plus 20 because I gained $20, plus 8. And when I do that problem out, I get it to be $75. Now, since it's positive, that means I've gained it. So you're going to do problem number 8. On problem number 9, you've got to be careful, and I'm going to help you guys out a little bit. It says, determine a good way of adding the following numbers on a calculator. So you're going to do these on a calculator, but you got to be careful. I made the mistake when I was doing this problem. I am circling the different numbers because commas and semicolons are two different things. So I helped you out by circling the exact number. So you're going to do this on your calculator, however you want to do it. If you want to add up all your negatives together and get an answer, add up all your positives together, and then add those two answers together, whatever you do. But it says instead of write about, I'm going to have you guys show your work. Show me the problem that you did and how you did it. And you can do it on your calculator. But what you punch in on your calculator, I want you to write down right there. That is it for this lesson. So make sure you have it all finished. Don't forget to submit it to me when done. Good luck and have fun.